Capstone is encapsulation of the educational experience at Neumont before the students move on to our enterprise projects. This is a moment when they take all of that and put it together.
My project is called Photofolio. It's a social networking website and online portfolio building tool for photographers to display their work, connect with their clients or peers, and even sell their pictures. The main technologies I use to build Photofolio are the MERN stack, which is Mongo as a database, Express for routing, React on the front end, and Node.js as a server. I also use Redux on the front end with Cayman.js, which is an image editing library, and a couple AWS technologies, as well as an S3 bucket to store all of the images for my website.
So for my project, I built a web application that allows users to go in and generate music on the fly. They can generate any song they want based on a set of parameters of the type of song that they want or the instruments that they want in the song. The technologies I used for my project were Spring Boot. It allows me to host my server, and then I just built my website with plain CSS, JavaScript, and HTML for simplicity. I also used a library called JMusic to allow me to generate the MIDI files, and then a program called Timidity, which I write shell commands to that can then convert those MIDI files into WAV files.
My project is called Nomad, and Nomad is a social platform for gamers where players can connect into a central hub, and they'll all be in one location where they can communicate with each other. I mainly used Unity and their high-level API to do all the networking, and I used several other programs to create all the assets.
My project is called Crave. It's basically a web application that will suggest users different restaurants to try out based on their search preferences. The goal of the project is to really create a way for people like me who just like trying out new food to be able to learn about new restaurants in the area. My main technologies included the MEAN stack, which is MongoDB for my database, AngularJS on the front end, and Node and Express on the back end.
So my project is actually a martial arts supplement training program in which a master can record a technique and then a student can go home and practice it. I use C# as my main scripting language, Unity as my game engine tool, and something called the Neumont software, which is what lets me interface with the Kinect and capture body data.
And I gotta say, I'm really happy with what the students have done. I'm really proud of these students individually and collectively. I feel like they've done a great job, and you can see in the results, they've done an excellent job, and I'm really happy with that.